If you're losing money in the market, it's probably not the market's fault. It's that you're showing up to a heavyweight fight with no defense, no plan, and no idea what round you're in. This is MaxBot channel, and I know exactly how that feels. You hit a few wins, feel invincible, then everything crashes. You question the strategy, the market, yourself, but the truth is, what you're missing isn't more luck, it's a system. And once I had one, everything changed. I'm giving you a piece of my system right now. I am assisted by an AI robot that reads the market like a book, gives detailed indicator reports and tips. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who do not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages. He will tell you everything. Your CAD. The bot showed me 8 green indicators for the 5-minute time frame. Yes, now the bulls can catch a new momentum due to the oversold momentum and due to the gradual global price rise within the sideways movement. Now, the potential of buyers is not yet exhausted. The frequency of data update in the robot is 1 minute. Folks, don't miss useful videos. Click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments. It will help me a lot in promoting the channel. I work to give you the best content, smart and motivating content. Now I am preparing a cool course on technical analysis for you. Only traders who join our team will get the course. Write to me in private messages via the link in the description below the video to join us. In this course, I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. I share my experience. This is not financial advice. I show how I do it. Back in my first few months, I thought more risk meant more reward. If I believed in a setup, I'd go in heavy, 25%, sometimes more. It worked until it didn't. I had one day, just one, where I gave back weeks of profit in less than an hour. And the worst part wasn't the loss. It was realizing I had no idea how to come back from it. No plan, no structure, just chaos. Most traders think they need better indicators or more strategies. What they actually need is money management. If you're risking more than 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade, you're not giving yourself room to learn. You're gambling your ability to stay in the game. Look at any serious trader. They're not taking wild shots. They're executing methodically because they know one thing: survival is the priority. Growth comes after. Start by limiting every trade to 1 to 2% of your balance. Simple math. If you're trading with $100, you risk $1 to $2. If you've got $1,000, keep it at $10 to $20 per trade. Sounds boring, right? But boring is what builds the account. It's what lets you trade tomorrow, next week, next month, instead of blowing out in one bad session. Add this. Review your entries. What did the market look like? What time of day was it? Where were the levels? Where was the momentum? The answers are on your chart. You just have to slow down enough to read them. And that's exactly why I use a signal assistant. It doesn't trade for me. It doesn't promise anything. It just helps highlight potential setups based on clean structure. It simplifies the noise. So instead of forcing trades, I can focus on what matters: execution. Right now, it's available for free. Yes, completely free. And if you grab it this month, you'll keep it free for life. But after that, it's going paid. So if you're serious, grab the access now. The link's in the description. So I walked into a new deal. The pound is the Australian dollar. 7 red indicators in the report from the bot. Yes, the bears formed a downtrend 10 minutes ago. Their volumes are performing better than the buyers right now. And that's the key to success. Yes, I think the strength of this momentum will be sufficient in the next 5 minutes. Friends, we have a group in Telegram where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. We help with education. To chat about education, write to our manager in private messages. Link in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with education for all participants. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. These are my personal results. Your results may vary. They depend on many factors that I help you deal with and understand. Yesterday, I got a signal on AUD USD. I checked the chart, it lined up with momentum, clear reversal zone. Entered with 1.5% of my deposit. One clean candle later, exit, done. No emotion, no second guessing, no revenge trading. That's what having a framework looks like. I'll say it one more time. You can get the assistant for free today and keep it free, but in a few weeks access closes, you'll need a paid subscription to use it. If you want to test it, click the link in the description now. This isn't marketing, it's a deadline. If this video helped clarify anything for you, hit like, subscribe for more real talk, no hype, and check the Telegram channel, signals, insights, breakdowns every day. Now, let me hear from you. How do you handle risk? Are you using fixed size or percentage-based positions? What indicators actually help you stay consistent? Drop it in the comments. I want to see how you work. Let me tell you this. I've met people who left their 9-to-5 jobs. Now they trade full-time. They didn't get there by chasing dreams. They got there by respecting the process. Trading is a risk, but so is staying in a job you hate. So is doing nothing. And if you're here, still listening, then you've already got the mindset to win. You just need the structure to support it. Remember, $1 trades make 80 cents. $10 trades make $8. Same trade, more capital, more impact. If you can deposit more, do it wisely. Use it with discipline. That's how real scaling works. So here's your move. Use proper risk. Track every trade, claim the assistant, and build your edge, one clean setup at a time. And you can see my results on your screens right now. I'll see you in the next one.